Hey guys, and welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Merry COOKMAS Day 8. Appreciate the love and support throughout this COOKMAS so far. Let's keep it going. Today's recipe, we're going to go ahead and whip up a quick side dish known as the Chinese cucumber salad. So there's just a few ingredients. The star of the show is the cucumber, but then we're going to go ahead and dress it with a Chinese dressing of soy sauce, sesame seed, brown sugar, rice vinegar, red pepper, some minced garlic, and some sesame oil. So this is going to be a quick and easy snack that you can go ahead and just spruce up your cucumbers. If you do love cucumbers, definitely recommend you try this recipe. So if you guys are ready to get this started, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out, definitely appreciate that. And if you're not subscribed yet, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video during COOKMAS. So let's go ahead and get started. So guys, this is my Chinese cucumber salad. As you can see, it's full of bold, delicious flavors. Now I know some of these ingredients might not be the standard ingredients that you do have in your pantry, but these are ingredients that you are able to find at your regular grocery stores. I didn't have to go to any specialty stores to find these ingredients, so you can still have that wonderful flavor and the essence that the salad brings. As you can see too, guys, you can eat this salad with chopsticks if you're feeling bold. The salad's going to get eaten one way or the other. So hopefully you guys did enjoy this recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me that comment down below. Share this video out, definitely appreciate that. 'Tis the season. And if you are not yet subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new COOKMAS video. You guys, Thanks for watching and take care. Happy holidays. Bye guys.